So first of all, you need a tool kit where you'll be using general purpose screwdriver and some other drivers in order to unscrew the nuts. Now let's start step 1. First, you need to unscrew the 4 screws on the back of the computer, just like this one. Take out the first screw, then take out the second screw. Similarly, you need to take out the other screws. Now, once the screws are removed, remove the system case cover slightly like this. Once the system case is removed, plug out the SATA cable and then the power cable. So now we are plugging out the SATA cable. The cable which is in red color entirely, this is a SATA cable. This is a SATA cable and it's written over here serial ATA, which is a 7-pin connector. Right? Now take out the power cables. And this is the power supply connector which is attached directly with the motherboard. And there are some other power connectors as well, not only the single one. Now we are taking the other power connectors. This is the second one. Now remove the SATA cable from the hard disk. Other end of the SATA cable, one power connector is attached to the hard disk. Now take out this power connector from the hard disk. Now after this, remove the screws of the power supply. So this is the power supply which we are going to detach. Unscrew all the 4 screws which are on the corners. And this is your power supply, which is basically 450 watt power supply of HP company. And this product is obviously made in China. And this is a system fan. This is a system fan, which is basically used to cool down your CPU or the cabinet, entire system. Now after this, now we are going to remove the audio power cable from the motherboard. And after this one is another power supply cable which was attached to the motherboard. Just take it out. And here we have some other power cables also, which is a reset cable, STD LED cable, and the power LED cable. We need to detach all the power cables from the motherboard. Now unscrew all the screws of the motherboard to remove the motherboard from the cabinet. Now this is the motherboard. The motherboard can have 7 screws holding it to the frame. You need to remove them and lift the motherboard gently out of the frame. Now after this, we are going to remove the memory module, which is RAM. This is DDR3 RAM, 2 GB DDR3. This RAM must be removed by pushing down both the plastic tabs. These are the plastic tabs. Now after this, detach the CPU fan by disconnecting its connector. CPU fan basically is located on the top of the CPU heatsink, which is a large piece of metal with fins. This is a large piece of metal and this is known as a heatsink. So this is basically a CPU fan, and this is the name of the CPU fan. After this, here we have the processor, which is AMD processor, manufactured in 2009. Gently unlock the processor socket, and these are the processor gold pins. That's it. Now after this, if you have any video cards, sound cards or graphic cards attached on these expansion slots or the PCI slots, you need to take out that adapter cards from these expansion slots, right? Now after this, you can remove the drives, which is basically you will have hard drive, CDD drive or the floppy disk. So here we have this hard disk, and in order to remove this hard disk, you need to unscrew these 4 screws. Right? And here you have this hard disk, which was attached with the motherboard using this SATA cable.